Mouse. Whatever.
Yeah. Oh.
share Manitou, Great Spirit.
Along the heavens. Skåne. Peace.
Welcome back for the closing ceremony of Arctic Winter Games 2016. My name is Hansen Erik Sørsach Poulsen.
And my name is Maren Louise Poulsen Christensen, and we are honored to be here in Arctic Winter Games 2016.
We just heard Hanne Sonvi Emanuelsen playing on violin and the gymnastic kids as Dubilak Gagalak.
When people collaborate, something special always emerges. Melle Roman is a Greenlandic songwriter. Tonight she will be performing with Tim Milner, who is known for his beautiful piano playing. Please, and they're gonna be joined by two violinists. Please give it up for Melle Roman, Tim Milner, Hanne and Christine.
Broken glass everywhere. Can't find a reason to be here. You have to leave this place. It makes you sad. You have seen enough, so don't look back. Take my hand, I will teach you to be smart. Can be mean, but I got a heart. Follow me, life will change. Follow me, life will change. In the cold, same alone. Follow me, I got a home for you. My palace of snow might be big and cold, but we will warm you here. You are not alone. In the wild you will feel alive again. Trust a hunter, he will your friend. Follow me, life will change. Follow me, life will change. In the cold, someone love. Follow me, I got a home for you. What you learned from the wind, what you learned from the snow, made you so strong, much stronger than you know. Learn to feel warm instead of being cold. Now you're back. Learn to survive. Followed me, and I change your life. Follow me, life will change. Follow me, life will change. In the cold, someone love. Follow me, I got a home for you. For you. Raymond. I think I found a perfect guy. He's nice, just my type. He likes the things that I like, and he never puts up a fight. Oh, all the other boys were never that sweet. They told me I'm dumb and look like a freak. But that doesn't matter anymore, 'cause I'm in love for the first time. My sister said to me, you must be mad. You know that boy, he will only make you sad. And what everybody says is true. It's only because he's deaf and blind that he likes you. Oh, but I don't care, 'cause we are just fine. He loves me and he is all mine. And I'm in love for the first time. You see, you don't care about the way that I walk, or about the funny way that I talk. You don't care if my hair's a mess. What about the 1,000 holes in my dress? It must be true love. It must be true love. It must be true love. I'm in love for the first time. I'm in love for the first time. I'm in love for the first time.
Uningaviusimasut. Nillertukkut ingerlaviusimasut. Qerussornertut qianartigisut. Misigereersimasavut. Tassataakku tumit aqqutigut. Tarraqartut soorlu iluttinnit nalusatsinnik pigisatsinnik. Inuppassuit ilinni tumeqarput. Inuppassuit ilunni tammartussaangitsut. Inuppassuit ilaat tummartoorfigisimasat. Inuppassuit ilaat tummarfigisariallit. Aqqutaanni ilagalugit. Aqqutaanni ingerlaqatigalugit. Inuppassuit ilaat tammartarput. Ilarpassuatik allaat qimallugit. Tumeqarpulli uummammi aangartussaanatik. Aqqutikkut uterpunga tumerpassuit takuakka milliartorput. Inuunerasoorlu atuariga. Utimut ingerlaarpunga. Qaamasutaartullu takuakka. Qangakamerniit kuunut ikaarneq aqqusaarlugu. Palasip tumi aamma aaku. Ataatatta inuulluaqqulernerani ikiussimasut. Tumit kingulliit. Inuuninni peeruttussa. Tumit inuulluaqqusisut. Tumit maqaassasat. Siumut ingerlaqqippunga. Inuulluaqqusissut nukigalugu. Tumiliorpunga aaga ikiortigalugu. Tumiliorpunga aaga nukigalugu. Mattusuukkut maavaartukkullu. Ingerlassaanga tumiliorlunga. Tarrara ajaappiaralugu. Uanga tumillu. Tumitit uangalu. Illit timillu. Tumitit illillu. Ingerlaqatigalu.
Thank you to Ma and Luisa for sharing her own poetry. We've heard them in the opening ceremony, and they're here to perform one more time. Let's welcome them on stage, Kanocham from Kanak.
Sure. Hello. Sure. Well done, Nook. It's a great this week. It's very opportunity. Well done. Before we end it, I will help each other. Before I give you signs of my hand, and you can take your mobile up and turn the mobile and wave. Okay? taktunga Uri matune Abdaka Chukakat tamat Aera Dok pakir Kamatok pakir Noyut chitihut Chitakati Dok pakir Kamatok pakir Noyut chitihut SNSCJ Na yung ikarang tuta Chita kachigun At tawaka tuta Aya kachigit tugun Hure, hure, hure Hakay na kaya Tapay rin dangan Ihekat tayo Takok dong dugun Takok kaya dugo Dok pakir Kamatok pakir Noyut chitihut SMSCJ
Now, on to some Dunumi Idakotuda. Please give it up for Nuriakat.
Inamu talipu alitungajange wapuchi putachi atava unnativi qatsativi qasingartivi araivi tatui narataivi tatui karangataya abanaritu amata ya sikata ya tivi tiri Ata TV ni viver tuanne kini paivatsia tunu paivatsia kanutisa. Katsunna annangayanga airopanga apparivatti maavamagi. Itti amerittui maanarittui ingiri aaraka tokkingitsi peqqingitsi. Ittisa aritsuarnangaarti ayama ittittiva iminnaattirittiva mertsernaartiritti qirnakapuritti qirnannipuritti ingaartivatsia ingertiva qattusoo portusoo qaqqivitsartarangitsa aarnerti tavernerti nalakkaattivakaakiinnaarpaakaatsaartika Ammarisa, kuyorisa, orara, kara. Ayamadi, nudiadi, kilangasa, tertuai, kita tertuai. Aiwa katadia, aiwa, bikiradi, cikiradi, kerekanga, cia anitwa kakwakapya kakicingwa.
Yes, program ingerlina. Sinaasatsilut ingerlarpili pakkisinnik usorpatiortumik ammaanерсиарнissaq suli pingilartua anusmaar.
So tässä
And thank you to Kanoja.
Pakataasuset isaanissa suli
Kastin Atchi.
qarisiartarparput minut sitten. Kirasaat marilluit.
You've seen a young violinist from Buffalo, Canada. And he will play with Henderson V. Emanuelsen along with Nanne Kvist and Mia Löbart. Please welcome the violinists. Anuan. Please give it up.
Thank you to all the artists. Kuya na ko Yusuak. Let's give them a round of another applause.
Тассмассаккут писортатиортумик наххатаарнерсиорнissaqaallартиллуунналерпоq аама илеққумалиллуит куа пеқатаасут аликусерсуеққарту тассулу киссассаасут наххатаарнерсиорниссам ма ассилисақатиерқатилерпо анерталлуиннартиссаар
Sukua qaqarsaartartuaqappassuugamik nuumni qaqarsaartartut peqasigiffianningaannersut maarpaaluit peqatapput taavalu nipilersortut agiartut ukulu tunumingaanniit alikkusersuusut nuliakkaat
синерсортарторпассуи таамалут исаалераангамик сиуллэрмик аммаанерсиорнэрми туллериааққиссаартик атисаалу ассигиааққиссаартик писар массаккут иласоорлу каваямит таарлаассуусимассасу
илиманарпоқ катуами катерсуусиннарлутик ингерлаақатингииллутик маангинуссииммут исериарторамик имма киккутсумиунерсут мааннаккут илисариуминааллиимисимассаа
таамаалиффик имаамнақиссулернеқартарпо атаатсимаорнер каваин пар исе илаатиут каваин нунагисап тунниуссимасаи ерлуннарпаллаараат ила парлаак кусуннартарунангила
таама пилааса натсатиа килертиллуиллуунниит писараат эққааманиарпааси орнатигут Arctic Winter Games эқартоқартарнерани тасса наккатаарнерсиорнер писортатингоортуми наккатаарнерсиорнер мааннаккут писортатингоортумик ааллартиппо намминерфиумассутсими киуттут мааннаккут исааппут таавалу нунат
Welcome
пекатаасут
back to Inner Civic and to part 2 of closing ceremony of the Winter Games 2016 here in New Greenland. My name is Maren Louise.
And I am Hansen Eriksorsa Poulsen. And here come the athletes, coaches, and officials of the Arctic Winter Games 2016. and give an especially warm welcome to the special guests of Arctic Winter Games 2016, President of the Arctic Winter Games International Committee, Jens Brink.
Premier of Greenland, Kim Kielsen.
Mayor Asi Chemnitz Narup.
Northwest Territories Northwest Territories Deputy Minister, Department of Municipal and Community Affairs, Tom R. Williams.
Chair of the Board, Alberta Sport Connections, Mr. John Short.
President of the Team Alaska Board, Tim Dillon.
Nunavut Sport and Recreation Division, Jeff Sitinak.
Chairperson of the Kativik Regional Government, Ms. Jennifer Munnik.
Member of the Sami Parliament Council in Norway, Mr. Henrik Olsen.
Assistant Deputy Minister for Community Services for Yukon, Eric Scruff.
Minister for Education, Culture, Church and Research, the Honorable Nivi Olsen.
President of the Steering Committee, Christian Kelsen.
Mayor Brad Mays of Town of Hay River, Northwest Territories.
Mayor Lynn Napier Buckley of the Town of Fort Smith, Northwest Territories.
And now, on to some dancing. Nuuk Youth are they called, and they're gonna be dancing the Arctic Winter Games 2016 signature dance. Let's welcome them on stage, Nuuk Youth.
Love
Dear guests, participants, and people of the Arctic. Today we are closing the Arctic Winter Games 2016. It has been the biggest event in Greenland history. We made the Arctic spirit proud. It is the second time Greenland has hosted the Arctic Winter Games. And once again, we showed that hard work makes good hosts. The games have been made possible because of the hard work from all participants. So thank you to the organizers, thank you to the committee. And most of all, a big thank you to all the volunteers. The commitment and spirit you have shown, both before and through the games, has been absolutely incredible. You made the Arctic Winter Games 2016. I want to congratulate all the participants. You have been amazing. You have made great results. You have shown us great drama and great dedication. You have made lots of new friends. You have made great moments. Thank you. Arctic Winter Games 2016 has come to an end. But our friendship will last forever. Our culture will continue. The spirit of the Arctic will continue. Thank you and have a safe journey back home. And remember, we are the Arctic. Tegus.
bunga nadusugo sumo Tagusugi damo sanuri nuku asuso Amiga tukamnanga Ania tukamnanga Idisi media si desavo Desaso Nedungi sansi Dadadi usugu misiwa Pugo Puyong Nevi engi rasipiwa Pugo Damatanu firamada Atanu neramnanga Kadamisukani ariti Kadadi usugu Tusaifi sibasiti Aku tini ingel sebunga Kasalunga sudah bunga Ketariaka bunga mesihunga Kumuyushunga kira langsung pusing Ho Ho Karesin itu saya desa Bibir sorry sonunda segara Damatanu firamada Atanu neramnanga Kadamisukani ariti Kadali usulun Tusakli simbasit Kedasit nuna Kedasit nuda Kedasit nuda Kedasit nuda Listen
Dear friends, dear spirits of the Arctic, the most wonderful and enriching week have passed us. We have experienced great sport achievements and shared culture and thoughts. We have eaten, laughed, and enjoyed each other's company. I couldn't have hoped for more. This week was truly a gift, and I'm very thankful. Thank you to the official team behind Arctic Winter Games 2016. You have worked hard for years, making this amazing week possible. Thank you to the Arctic Winter Games International Committee for appointing Nuuk as a host of the Games in 2016. You gave us an opportunity to grow stronger as a society. Thank you to the many volunteers, companies and sponsors. Your helping hands and donations made this week special for all of us. Thank you, my fellow citizens of Nuuk. The way that you have embraced our thousands of guests is very touching. With Arctic Winter Games 2016, we have not just made history in Greenland, but at the same time experienced a historical unity and cooperation. This cooperation and unity is a milestone, and it's something we must maintain and use in the future. A burning torch we can hold in front of us in the years to come. Finally, I would like to congratulate the many athletes and artists who have won great prizes. Yet, we all leave this beautiful winter week in Nuuk as winners. We have won a stronger society.
Thank you to Nikolaj Lundstrup, Niels Berlund, and Mick Jensen.
And now please give it up for Arctic Winter Games 2016, dancers with the dance My Home.
наатсумик пратиссаан тасқуяниарнероо ассиингитсуник пиумассатсиминник икиуттунут ааммалу пилортатиортум сулеқатаасунут таавла аама инуяқатсигиннут ааммалу ма иласуссақасса саюнарсиутинуа
2016 dances. Let's welcome onto the stage President Jens Brink and Alberta North Director Doris Landry, who will explain the purpose and make the presentation of the Hodgson Trophy winner 2016.
The Hodgson Trophy was gifted to the Arctic Winter Games by Stuart Hodgson, one of the founding fathers of our circumpolar family. This past December, Mr. Stuart Hodgson passed away at the age of 91. In his memory, we will continue to honor friendship, sportsmanship, and fair play. The Hodgson Trophy is awarded at the conclusion of each Games by the Arctic Winter Games International Committee to the unit displaying the most sportsmanlike conduct, fair play, and team spirit throughout the Games week. Team members of the winning team also receive a distinctive pin in recognition of their efforts.
I will say the games are closed.
Thank you, Greenland. Thank you, Luke. Thank you, Adley, for being here. It's very exciting to find out that Hodgson Trophy, something is hidden in here. Here it is. The winner of the 2016 Hodgson Trophy is Team Alaska.
That's one thing.
I'd like to have the chef de mission from Alaska on stage.
Oh. You?
Okay, great, good. Show it to your proud team, Team Alaska. Yeah, we will, sure will. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, we will watch it on TV. Hans Henrik Schwarzer Poulsen, isn't he amazing? Let's welcome the President of Arctic Winter Games International Committee, John Rudder, and Mayor of Hay River, Brad Mapes, and the Mayor of Fort Smith, Lynn Napier Buckley of North Territories, the next host of the Arctic Winter Games in March 2018.
Mayor May, Mayor Buckley, it's my pleasure and my honor to hand to you the Arctic Winter Games flag as you embrace the 2018 Arctic Winter Games. Congratulations. Good. Okay.
Welcome to John Rodhagen.
Ladies and gentlemen, government leaders, athletes, coaches, officials, volunteers, youth ambassadors, this has been a fabulous week. The hospitality extended cannot be exceeded. Thank you to everybody who's been here. I now declare the 2016 Arctic Winter Games officially closed.
Thank you. Deborah.
Get it?
All of you for coming to Nuuk, for joining with us to make this a wonderful experience for the athletes and for Greenlandic community, for being curious about our country, Greenland, and for having the courage to leave your own home and to make Nuuk and Iqaluit your homes for the past week.
And now, we would like to invite you to proceed after Small Town Giants have played once again we are the Arctic to the Colonial Harbor and enjoy the spectacular fireworks. And remember, the exit, same way as you came in. For the very last time, let's hear Small Town Giants with the song, We Are the Arctic. Woo!
How are you doing, everybody? I hope you know this song. We would love to hear you sing along. Breaking down the walls that are between us, we lift our hands up to the sky. We are believers in the courage. In the end, we will all be winners. Every day we repeat, we are getting stronger. Let's raise a fist up to the sky. We have the power to give all we have with the northern lights above us. We are the Arctic. We are the Arctic. The spark inside is wild. It's the power of the dream that brought us here. We will celebrate the days. We are believers in the spirit of the games. Let's make it a moment to remember. With the flames in our souls, we can beat the cold. We accept no defeat. We have the power to give all we have. 'Cause all we have is all we have to give. We are the Arctic. We are the Arctic. It's in the spark inside, it's in our souls tonight. It's in the northern lights, it's the Arctic. It's in the spark inside, it's in our souls tonight. It's in the northern lights, it's the Arctic. We are the Arctic. We are the Arctic. Let's hear it. We are the Arctic. We are the Arctic. Ladies and gentlemen, open your eyes and remember this moment. We are the Arctic. We are the Arctic. It's in the spark inside, it's in our souls tonight. It's in the northern lights, it's the Arctic. It's in the spark inside, it's in our souls tonight. It's in the northern lights, it's the Arctic. It's in the spark inside, it's in our souls tonight. It's in the northern lights, it's the Arctic. We are the Arctic. Spark inside is wild. Thank you, everyone.
Aaptas mangannit ilussiimmit atsainneq videokkut oqaluiartut soorlu nivi uutsinnup oqaatigiva qutsataqarluni assiingitsunik suleqataasunut piumassutiminik ikiuttunut kiisalu пилортатиортумик aquttisunut аллануллу нунаққатаасунут кисалу нунатсинну тааматут қуяссутеқарпо аннерусумик ааммалу пормистара аам тааматорлуиннагаяк қуяссутеқарпо унну ингерлинера мааннаккут нааниалиссаарпут қуягуут нуалу уаммилко хансиуккуматеқарпунга иссалу мааннаккут кулуп исаанут ассиливик нуусиннаарс қуянеқ